Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by trimming the free edge close to the visible extension. Remove bulk so the rest comes off easier. Once done, lightly buff the shiny top coat to break the seal. This helps acetone work faster. Next, saturate cotton pads with 100% acetone and position them over each nail, then wrap in aluminum foil to trap heat and accelerate dissolution. Make sure to work on both hands one at a time for controlled soaking and to avoid acetone exposure to the skin. After wrapping, let the acetone work for 15 to 25 minutes. Check one nail earlier at 10 to 12 minutes to gauge progress. Once the material feels soft, unwrap and use an orange wood stick or metal pusher at a low angle to coax layers away. Push, don't pry. Gentle scraping removes softened acrylic or gel. If residue holds on, resaturate the cotton and rewrap for several more minutes. Make sure to work slowly to protect the natural nail and prevent delamination. Once visible product is gone, lightly file with 180 to 240 grit to smooth small patches. Be cautious to avoid thinning the natural nail. Wash your hands thoroughly to remove acetone and debris, then apply cuticle oil and a rich hand cream to restore moisture, massage for circulation. Make sure to monitor nails for lifting, pain, or white spots. If you see persistent damage or experience pain, stop home removal and consult a licensed nail technician or.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.